Babes, what you want to eat?
Me no know no. Choose anyway.
Alright, cool. Me go stop up at the KFC on the boulevard.
Me no want no KFC. You well know some stop in KFC in a long time.
Alright. Me go stop up at the Chinese place up the road.
Chinese? Me no want no Chinese food.
Keisha, seriously?
Chinese run me belly.
Alright, me go choose one last place. Me go buy 2 patty and 2 cocoa bread.
No thank you, choose something else.
Keisha, how are you? Seriously, how are you?
I just don't want any party.
You know what? Me a go home. Me a go me yard.
Just let me out. Oh, you're so soft. You can't man up. Bet me cheap on you. Sure.
Keisha, me a girl listen up, so you can go on.
Alright, girlies, let me out.
A joke me a make Keisha, man. I can't take a little joke. Me know you wouldn't do that to me. You are the most loyal woman me know. You can't wait till we get married next week.
Oh, how sweet. High five.
When I get this on me band, when I get this on me band, yeah. If you come pull up a love, yeah. Maybe break your heart now.
Tony, Keisha just text message I come over again tonight.
Which Keisha that? Chris girl? Or the next week them a get married?
Yeah, baby. She same one. But I don't know why she love my man so. She want to take it from me. I never met a man like you before. You're a real man. Real gangster. All of the women them just want up me man so.
You don't know the thing go, baby.
When I get this on me band, when I get this on me band, yeah. If you come pull up a love, yeah. Maybe break your heart now.
Keisha, why you are dressed up so late?
Jesus Christ, Chris. You're my daddy or something? Me go collect some from my best friend Tanya.
Sorry baby, me no mean nothing man. Me just worried about you. Hurry up and come back. I love you.
Alright, soon come. Oh, you love kiss so? How much time for the day you go kiss me? You need to calm down.
Sorry baby. Me just love you too much.
Kiss later.
When I get this on me band, when I get this on me band, yeah. If you come pull up a love, yeah. Maybe break your heart now.
So how Chris managed to let you out so late tonight?
Chris can't stop me from see you. Tony, me just weak to you. There's some boy who just have me away. You are a real man. Me not know. You're just different, sir.
And you and Chris will get married in a few days.
That don't mean nothing. Plus, if you don't want to marry him, no wanna do it.
You know, so you are one wicked girl though.
Well, wicked girl need a gangster in her life. A gangster like you.
Well, that time for you go back home to Chris now. It's soon 11 o'clock. Curfew about to start.
I don't want to leave.
Now worry yourself, man. Just forward tomorrow night. Me, you and Tanya will have some fun, you see it?
When I get this on me band, when I get this on me band, yeah. If you come pull up a love, yeah. Maybe break your heart now.
God thank you for your loyal woman like Keisha. Oh, me want so lucky dog. My beautiful wife to be Keisha. Oh my God. All my life I waited for a woman like her. Even though you have enough haters that try to tell me if I marry her. But bad man real dog. All I wanna go. You can't stop me and Keisha.
Baby, me not like how you spend so much time with Keisha without me. Even though she's my best friend, I'ma share you with her. Me feel like she wanna take you away from me. You are mine.
Yo, Tanya, you have to worry yourself. Keisha a fool. She not have nothing for you.
I just feel a way for Chris. Him love Keisha, you know. I just feel like we fit tell him what we and Keisha do.
But the last time we tell Chris that Keisha no want him, The man cuss me and talk about me a bad man him.
We have to find a way to tell him do. Because him a good youth. Him deserve way better than Keisha.
Sure man, me have a plan still. Yeah, when she forward tomorrow night, me I go record it and send it to Chris.
Oh my god! You really have a record we?
We have to make him know still. Sometimes tough love hurts.
Anything you say, baby. I am up for it.
Man and girl is on me band. Man and girl is on me band, yeah. If you come for love, we love you. Maybe break your heart down.
Chris, what on you?
Me there in a bro. How you deal with?
Me just a finish up a project for the boss. A beer thing a circulate boy you in the office, me G.
About me? Like what?
No about you and Keisha, man.
Brother, where you come with the foolishness for now? But the whole of Uno no come out of me and Keisha business.
A real thing, me G. That girl that cheat, man, you wicked. You can't marry that girl, me brother.
Shut your mouth, youth. You chat too much, man. What you know about me and Keisha?
Me no know about you and Keisha, but me know say that girl you a wicked girl.
What you say about Keisha?
You push me.
Stop call up me and my woman name in your mouth, boy.
A box you really box me. Straight a CEO office now right now. Young man, why did you hit David?
Sir, me not even know, you know. A piece of anger just tipped me over.
As you would have already known, we don't tolerate bad mannerism in this place. And the other staff members have been complaining about your behavior. I wish I never had to do this, but we have to let you go.
Sir, what? No, you can't do this. Me need this job.
Chris, sorry. Clear your desk. You are fired.
Me can't believe say the man fire me. Well, I better them fire me than me make them diss up Keisha, so. All the better. Me no want work nowhere full up of bad mind people. From me have Keisha in my life, me good.
Chris love me. Chris want married me. Last night going to be the last time I go over to Tony's house. You can stop cheating before Chris find out. The past is the past. I am a changed woman now.
Babes, see the video we me record from last night with me, you and Keisha. The board will send it to Chris.
Oh my god! When Chris see this?
Well, him not listen to nobody, so we have to open up him eyes to who Keisha really is. Sent. May God bless your soul, youth.
Make me go email the resume here. New job, me say. What kind of email is coming from Tony? Make me open it and see what I go on. Open. Keisha.
Man and girl is on me band. Man and girl is on me band, yeah. If you come for love, we love you. Maybe break your heart down.
Previously on relationship problems.
A real thing, me G. That girl that cheat, man, you wicked.
Stop call up me and my woman name in your mouth, boy.
Chris, sorry. Clear your desk. You are fired.
You can stop cheating before Chris find out.
Babes, see the video we me record from last night with me, you and Keisha. The board will send it to Chris.
Keisha. Keisha, how you fit do this to me? After everything me do for you, you know what me go through for you? Me defend you and tell everybody say you not cheat for me.
It's not my fault.
Then whose fault?
Chris, the truth is you're just too soft. Look banal your pink shirt with a puss on it. Which real strong man would I wear that?
So that's why you hurt me?
Chris, you're always broke. The little money we get from your job is rubbish. Look on the fridge, it's empty. You expect hot good body girl like me for starve? You have to pay to maintain this. Me just also never change and settle down with you. But me just remember say me hate broke and dusty men. You could even buy me the handbag and shoes that me did want. Now you make them fire you from the job. Not even a job you can't keep.
Keisha, you know how much me got through for you? Me tell you say me gotta work hard to get the bag and shoes. A $50,000 the bag cost, you know. Keisha, you're the only person I want in my life. Me willing to work harder to make you happy.
Chris, it's not good enough. Me want more than this. Chris, the relationship done.
But I said they were married.
That's your problem. Just pack up your things and come out of my house.
Where me I go?
I don't know, just come out.
After all me do for this girl, all I wanted was just to have a family and be happy. Me all lose my job and my friend them because of her. People that tell me how wicked she be but me couldn't see it. Me just think them did bad mind. As long as me live, I'll never make this happen to me again.
Baby, there's a Keisha call off the wedding and kick out Chris out of the house.
A lie. Send she come over here come cheat on the man. A real wicked girl that, you know. Me not even want her come back over here. And me ever stop give her money. Me know her sugar daddy. Me know her your best friend, but me want you cut her off.
Yo, Angelo, me big producer. You done the rhythm? Me have a big show tonight. I'm gonna drop the new tune.
Yeah, Chris. Big artists who run the place. It done, man. I'm gonna make you hear it right now.
Bad. Send it to me, G.
Me Jenna.
More time I have to look back, you know. If I never did pain that Keisha caused me 5 years ago, I wanna do what me do right now. Can't believe say the girl cheat on me because me broke. Look for me now.
Yeah, G, we money long like River Nile. So we turn pain into fuel now for weed the girl them gone wild.
Anyways, little bit, bro. Me will get ready for that show there.
Up top, me G.
Keisha, hurry up and buy the ticket now. The show will start.
Get the money, get the money. No matter what you do for some people, them not gonna appreciate the things what you do. And when you take yourself, go love some people. And them same one coming up hurt you. Watch it now, stop, run down people. With dreams we are chase to the top, get ready. Stop, run down people. Focus on building yourself and get the money. Yeah. Get the money, get the money.
Keisha, your ex-man done big artist. My running place, you know. Must swim in the money. Yes, me have to get him back one way or the other. Keisha, I'm not thinking I want you back. If me can't get him back, then me gonna mash up in career.
People with dreams we are chase to the top. Get ready, stop random people. Focus on building yourself and get the money. Stop random people. With dreams we are chase to the top. Get ready, stop random people. Focus on building yourself and get the money.
Previously on relationship problems.
Me willing to work harder to make you happy.
Chris, it's not good enough. Me want more than this. Chris, the relationship done.
People that tell me how wicked she be but me couldn't see it. Me just think them did bad mind. As long as me live, I'll never make this happen to me again. If I never did pain that Keisha caused me 5 years ago, I wanna do what me do right now. Can't believe say the girl cheat on me because me broke. Look for me now.
Keisha, your ex-man done big artist. My running place, you know. Must swim in the money. If me can't get him back, then me gonna mash up in career.
Stop random people. Focus on building yourself and get the money. Get the money.
Brother, me used to mash up the show last night.
Yeah, G, go on good, you know. And the beat you make for me give me a vibe. You want to see people my dance when me a sing, brother.
Yeah, some music to make people move.
Guess who come hug me up after the show?
Me no know who that.
Keisha, man.
Same Keisha where did one married cheat on you, kick you out of the house 2 days before the wedding?
Yeah, she claims that she changed still. I'll turn Christian now.
Brother, take your mind off of that. Don't even think about it. Avoid that girl, G. You don't want nothing there, sir. You're a big artist now where I run the place. You have your business. You're swimming in money. Look how much girl want we now, G.
Me no say me I go back, you know. But me still love Keisha after all these years. I the first girl me ever love saying no.
Focus on the music and the business, G. Leave the girl them alone, especially Keisha. You stay there look for me. Remember say you're about to become a brand ambassador for one of Jamaica's biggest companies. You can't afford to have crosses in your life. And remember say you use things to stop run down people and go get your money, you know.
Me G.
Chris, thank you for coming. As one of Jamaica's most successful companies, we're excited to have you on board as our new brand ambassador.
It's definitely a great honor.
We're constantly seeking out great talents with great reputations to partner with. The contract is 20 million per year for the next 5 years.
Yes sir, thank you. It's greatly appreciated.
So Chris, continue to do what you're doing. We are watching you. Chris. It has been 5 years since me see your brother.
Yeah, Tony, what you say?
Me know you're still mad because when me do to Keisha 5 years ago. You did have to record the video and send it to you because you never believe nobody. Just look for me like your angel. Me turn up in your life, he save you from the evil one.
Brother, stop your foolishness, man. You asked me to meet you, I'm forward, so what you have to say?
Well, me ask if you come because me see trouble in your future. Me hear say Keisha try come back in your life. Avoid that girl. Your life are going good now. You just get a big contract. 20 million for 5 years. You are big success. From broke life to lavish. I am money Keisha want youth. Listen to me and go back to the old Chris.
Me hear you, G.
Hope you hear good.
Chris, thanks to give me a ride to church. Me like the new car.
Small thing, man.
Remember say me and you start out with nothing, you know. Remember when the fridge did empty, I was there. Remember when they fired you from the job, I was there. So me deserve to be here after me suffer with you, so.
Keisha, we never gonna get back together, you know. That's history.
Well, I straight to police station me I go.
Police station go do.
Me just remember say 5 years ago you raped me.
What? Nobody never gonna believe that lie.
So you feel enough man they are prison right now, innocent?
Keisha, I think you say you're a Christian and you change.
Is either me or prison? Say goodbye to this stupid career where I hype over.
God, what kind of cross is this for me?
No matter what you do for some people, them not gonna appreciate the things what you do. And when you take yourself, go love some people. And them same one coming up hurt you. But now, stop, run down people. We dreams we are chase to the top, get ready. Stop, run down people. Focus on building yourself and get them money. Yeah, get them money.
Previously on Relationship Problems.
You're a big artist now where I run the place. You have your business. You're swimming in money. Look how much girl want we now, G.
Me no say me I go back, you know. But me still love Keisha after all these years.
The contract is 20 million per year for the next 5 years.
Yes sir, thank you. It's greatly appreciated.
From broke life to lavish. I am money Keisha want youth. Listen to me and I'll go back to the old Chris.
Keisha, we never gonna get back together, you know. That's history.
Well, I straight to police station me I go.
Police station go do.
Me just remember say 5 years ago you raped me.
What? Tony, me need help.
Me general, what happened?
Keisha.
Chris never warned if you avoid that girl.
Me just give her a ride to church. And then she talk about if me not take her back, she go tell police and me rape her.
So you a raper bull?
No, brother. 2 years me and Keisha there and can't count on me one hand the amount of time me and her kiss. We never get that far enough. Plus she always says she have to wait for marriage.
Wait for marriage? Well, she hand delivered it to me regularly, my brother. You see the video evidence.
You know for rub it in, sir, brother. I was a big fool back then. But what me I go do? Me can't have no rape accusation circulating in the media about me. You don't know who me can hire for make Keisha disappear for good. You can't have this happen to me.
No man, Chris, don't talk them way there. Me don't want to get mixed up in that life. Too much good things are going for you. Now worry yourself, brother. Me I go chat to Keisha. As long as me alive, Keisha can't do nothing to you, me G.
Enough respect, me G.
Keisha, make me warn you for this last time. If you do nothing to Chris or nothing to ruin him career, that day will be your last day alive.
Don't you threaten me?
That's a promise. Wicked girl, your plans are to get money. You never did want Chris from day one, but you the man a swimming in money now you want come use the man.
See, I like how you did use me how much years ago. You know how me did love you? You record me and send it to Chris. Me can't even walk by road without people look by me like me a demon. Don't me hate you.
As me say, don't do nothing to Chris. Wicked girl.
Tony, you don't know who you ramp with.
Me a go me yard. Me done talk.
That's where me need your help.
Baby, what you need for me?
Remember Chris when me tell you about?
The artist boy we are swimming in money.
Me still a try get some money all time for we, but me have a big problem.
What kind of problem that?
Him have a friend named Tony where try mash up his plans. But why you take him out? Dash him where feel good.
Where that boy they come from?
Me go give you your address. Me know where he live. He might go there home tonight.
Any boy will try to stop my food is an enemy, and all my enemies must get dashed way.
How you man? And how you reaching ya?
Me name Dashway, and me Dashway people feel fun. You may come for boy.
Stop random people. We dream to your chase to the top. Get ready. Stop random people. Focus on building yourself and getting money.
Previously on relationship problems.
No worry yourself, brother. Me I go chat to Keisha. As long as me alive, Keisha can't do nothing to you, me G. As me say, don't do nothing to Chris. Wicked girl.
Tony, you don't know who you ramp with.
What kind of problem that?
Him have a friend named Tony where try mash up his plans. But why you take him out? Dash him where feel good.
How you man? And how you reaching ya?
Me name Dashway, and me Dashway people feel fun. You may come for boy. Keisha, me take out the boy now.
Yes, no, finally one less obstacle in the way.
Keisha, how would a brother they send me go Dashway? Some about him familiar is like me know him, but me no know how. Me Dashway enough man, but some bodies feel different. Me no know how me feel so.
Me no know. Me know Tony long time. We have some history, but it's a long story.
The last time me feel so, was 30 years ago when my mother moved out with my brother. That was the last time me see my brother and my mother. Me did that 10. Every day me pray to Jaja to find him. Well, take up that little gun over there and keep it on you in case of none. Cause this no feel right. Something not right.
Brother, me can't believe so them shut up Tony last night. Yesterday me and the man chatting up.
Yeah, brother, me and say them do the man wicked. Them run in pon the man and give him 10 shots. Me hear say I'm not dead still.
Yeah, G, I saw me here. Yesterday the man tell me how him not gonna make nothing happen to me. And watch you now. A whole life stays a man. Jano.
I wonder who could have want the man dead.
Me not even knowing a G. Me just knowing how to end pretty though.
Hey baby girl, walk on. Me good enough, Keisha. Me just a pass the house and say let me heal you. Me just go to my pharmacy to buy some pressure pill for my mother. From daddy dead last year, she didn't stop fret. I just me alone she have, you know. Me just worried about her. Oh, she and me friend. Everything gonna be alright. Keisha, you know, hear say them shoot Tony. Me know. And me saying that she fi take him out. Seriously, Keisha? You gone too far now. Me nah make nobody come na the way and stop me from get Chris money. Me need to keep your mouth shut and not tell nobody. No man, Keisha, you too wicked. Me have to tell the police. We are good friends for how long now? And so you can betray me? Keisha, me can't afford to go to jail. And me want my mother have left. She would have dead. Why you have to tell me this? You a murderer, Keisha. Me said don't tell nobody. Keep it a secret. Keisha, you really are killing innocent people over Chris? You will get mad. Me have to report you. You wicked bad. You are my friend, and I want you for the last time. Keep your mouth shut. Keisha, you're wrong. They go tell the police. You are criminal. Sorry, but me can't make you do that.
Yeah, that's right. Me hear say them shot up your brother last night.
Shut up, my brother.
Yeah, Jay. Everybody has say your brother. What your brother name?
Jerome Wilmot.
Yeah, dog. Him same one. But in the street, them call him Tony.
What you say?
Yeah, Jay. Them broke in their house last night and shot him up. Some people say I'm dead. Some people say I'm alive. Me not even know.
I wish part him there and where them shot him.
Kingston he live, man. Up a Barbican Lesser. Him have a big purple house.
With the yellow gate?
Yeah, G at the same place.
Jesus Christ. Me shot me one brother dog. Wicked girl Keisha, what you make me do?
Stop play trick, yeah, took me heart, it me funny. Didn't love you, but it make me heart bitter and no honey. Say depends at, but it never hot when I swim. You never love me then, you can love me now in no honey. Me just a swim in no money.
Previously on relationship problems.
The last time me feel so was 30 years ago when my mother moved out with my brother. That was the last time me see my brother and my mother.
Yeah, brother, me and say them do the man wicked. Them run in pon the man and give him 10 shots. Me hear say I'm not dead still.
Keisha, you're wrong. They go tell the police. You are criminal. Sorry, but me can't make you do that.
Kingston he live, man. Up a Barbican Lesser. Him have a big purple house.
With the yellow gate?
Yeah, G at the same place.
Jesus Christ. Me shot me one brother dog.
Baby, you alright? How you feel?
Tanya, I'm a good man. Just a little pain. Don't know man a soldier. Me just want to leave this place and go find out who do this to me.
Me hear say the girl Keisha put a hit on your head.
Keisha? How you say?
Baby, let me take her out for you. No dirty girl can ramp with me, man.
No, baby. Me no want to get you involved in this. Just leave it to me. Me just glad you never dey home that night. Cause me don't know what would I do if me did lose you.
Baby, me don't know what I do if me did lose you too. Not even 10 shots can kill my man.
You don't know the thing, baby.
Can't believe that the girl make me shoot me brother. Me one brother when I see from me at 10 years old. Now the man could have dead because of me. From that girl I enter me life, a big grass is just a take me over so. It nah go so.
Me handsome detective man.
Sexy body Keisha, we are deal with. Me miss saying a baby.
Me need you to help me. Big money involved.
You ain't say. From you talk money man, you talk my language. Have a seat. So what me can do for you now, baby? You like how your body still sexy though.
Thanks. You know me have to keep sexy for me favorite man.
Your favorite man? So how much are we, sir?
No must you alone. Me no still so. You are the only man for me. Big intelligent police detective.
Make sure you know. Cause me tired of the woman who just lie. Enough risk me take for you, Keisha. Like all your friend where you kill with them, man. Remember say me have to hide the body, Keisha. So don't betray me.
Of course. I would never do that to you. I am a very loyal woman. You just make me heart go wild. A strong, real man. Me need you to help me to set up Chris. So me can get some money out time for we.
So how will Chris do, sir?
As you know, Chris is my ex-man. She get rich now and forget to me do for him and him never have nothing. Me was such a good woman to him. Enough time is suffer with him. Him need to compensate me for my years of suffering.
Oh, me get where I say. Wicked boy.
A pure cheating cheat man when me there with him. We did all to get married and him cancel the wedding and run off with the next woman.
And that the boy do to you? Some man just don't know the value of them have. Bet as long as him live, him never find another woman as loyal as you, Keisha.
Oh, I make up a story say 5 years ago, him rape me.
Interesting. But based on my experience as a detective, I'm gonna ask you why it takes so long to report it. I want you to add this to your story. So that the man raped you repeatedly at gunpoint and him threatened to kill you and your family if you ever send out to the police. So you did afraid.
Yeah, that sound good.
Don't ever change that story regardless of how much pressure your commander. So how much will you demand from him?
Well, me gonna ask him for 10 million.
Make it 12. GCT have to get added.
Okay, baby.
Good. So you still a come over tonight, my baby?
Yes, detective. Me gonna wear something sexy. Me know what you like.
That me want hear. We are gonna play police and thief.
Bring the handcuff.
Bro, you know, see them put out notice to them want me a police station for questioning. Them say me not under arrest still, them just want to clear up some things.
What? How you do?
Now the girl Keisha talk about if me give her 12 million, she gonna tell police I'm a rape her. Feel like that she go do.
12 million? She really serious, me G. A serious accusation that, you know. Cause enough man they are prison right now for rape on them innocent.
Yeah, brother, she's a next level of wicked. But me go clear it up still, cause me know me innocent.
So what your lawyer say?
Him say must go on for here with him a say cause me not under arrest. Bro, it just gonna be a quick thing in or out. Cause still a forward a student in 2 hours, you know.
So who you gonna talk to?
The detective boy down there.
Me not trust that corrupt boy there, you know.
Brother, them can't lock me up.
Brother, remember say Zozo still a go on, you know, and under that them can just lock up man for nothing. It coming like, you know, remember what happened to the artist boy there? Them just call him in for question and the man find himself asleep there for much weeks.
Don't worry yourself, man. My record clean like Jesus.
Ah, brother, hurry up and forward.
Yeah, G, simple 1-2.
Artist boy, go in there, son.
God, I'm in a jail. Me innocent.
Come here, me artist. Come sit down beside Papa.
No, brother, me good. Me we stand up.
Me no love man, brother. Just a show you me hospitality. A big artist like you are doing your so.
Now me extra tell lie upon me about me rape her. The girl a try ruin my career through me not take her back. Brother, me no fi there, you know. Call me innocent. Me lawyer work on it still. So by tomorrow me supposed to out of here.
It rough by me artist.
So, what you in here for?
You know say COVID make me lose my job, you know. Things did get rough. Me did actually married. My wife died 2 months ago in a childbirth and leave me with 3 children. A 5-year-old, a 2-year-old, and a 2-month-old.
Wow.
Is a box of Oats Parish me that tried thief, but them catch me.
Eh? Real thing? Chano.
Me know me wrong, but me couldn't stand the sight of my kids them a starve no more. Me did just have to do what me have to do.
Even though I support stealing still, many people put in extreme situations, especially when family involved will do extreme things.
It just pain me if you see my kids them a ball for younger.
So what to your youth them now that in a jail?
My sister have them, you know. All my 5-year-old daughter have leukemia and she need medication urgently. What me I gonna do?
Chano, brother.
Today me plan to kill myself right here, so. Today would have been me and my wife's second anniversary.
Right now you're going through life, but life not going your way. Every day just a work so hard, but life not giving no bill. And you're feeling all alone, you feel so empty. No one's at home, you feel so empty, yeah. Everything's wrong, you feel so empty.
We don't want you to give up on yourself because you're way stronger than you think. Don't worry yourself, brother. Things will get better, I'm gonna help you. Your daughter's medical expenses, me cover it. Tough times don't last forever. Don't give up. Your wife will depend on you.
Oh, how sweet. Kumbaya, kumbaya. Rape a bull artist boy. Me no know who tell you say you come out here tomorrow, but you go rotten in ya.
Stop play trick, yeah, with me heart, it not funny. Didn't love you, but it make me heart bitter and no honey. Say depends on, but it never hot when I see it. Never love me then, you can love me now, in no honey. Me just a swim in the money.
Previously on relationship problems.
Me just want to leave this place and go find out who do this to me.
Me hear say the girl Keisha put a hit on your head.
Keisha? How you say?
Me one brother when me see from me at 10 years old. Now the man could have dead because of me.
Me was such a good woman to him. Enough time he suffer with him. Him need to compensate me for my years of suffering.
Oh, me get where I say. Wicked boy.
Him say must go on for here with him a second and under arrest. Bro, it just gonna be a quick thing in and out. Come still a forward a student in 2 hours, you know. God, I made in a jail. Me innocent.
Come here, me artist. Come sit down beside Papa.
Officer, me want to confess to a shooting. Young man, what shooting are you confessing to? The one who go on a Barbican with here with a you named Tony. Oh yes. And you are the one who did that shooting? Yeah, but me actually get hired by a girl named Keisha to carry out the work. As she want him dead, officer, me a big murderer, you know. But the only reason why me a turn in myself is because the man with the girl make me go shoot turn out to be me brother. Me little brother when me never see from me a 10-year-old. When my mother left the house and take him away with her. Every day me pray for God to see him. That's the only reason why me don't do badness, you know. I threw me depressed, yeah. But look what happened to me now. The only person when me love to me heart, me go kill him. Badness no worth it, me done with it. Fortunately, Tony is still alive and he's recovering well. Just hoping can find in a heart to forgive me. So tell me about this Keisha person that you mentioned. I am if you do the hit. She did bribe our ex-man named Chris with PR money or she would have destroyed his career. But Tony would never make that happen. Which Chris is that? The artist Chris? Yeah man, him same one. Well, he's actually locked up in jail right now. Jesus Christ, the girl Keisha really got through with it. Go through with what? Officer, I lied the girl tell on the man. A long time the girl a threatened the man say, yo, if him not give her money, she a go make up a story and tell the police that the man rape her. Officer is an innocent man, he have been bars. All of this mess that I go on is because Keisha driving mash up in career. Wow, this is a whole lot to take in. Officer, me just day have to turn myself in, you know. This is the best me can do for me brother right now. Me done with the badness. Badness no worth it. Me done with it, officer. Okay, let me take your details and process you. I will let my boss know what you have just confessed. Anything or anything, brother.
Me hear say a bad girl a road. But you see in here, so, me run this. So tell me now, what you know about Tony?
Tony? Me no know nobody named Tony.
Me nah no time for your foolishness, you know, girl. Understand this. Me can make them send you away for life, you know. And that your face right now. So just cooperate and maybe we can work out a deal.
Why everybody just attack me so? I am a woman. I
girl just stop play games.
You can't intimidate me. You're not gonna make me confess to knowing somebody when me don't know. Me don't know nobody named Tony. Why you have me also? You don't have nothing by me. I have places to be now.
Okay, mom, I would let you go quickly. But before I do, my boss would like to have a word with you. Just give me a couple seconds, let me go and get in.
Tony?
Keisha.
Tony, me not think you're dead. And from when they turn police?
Keisha, why you so surprised? You think me I got dead so I make you ruin Chris' career? Keisha, we didn't monitor you from day one. From when you used to come over my house and me send the video to Chris, me that work undercover. We just never have enough evidence to put you away. But when me hear say you have a new man, Chris, we couldn't make that opportunity slide. It was a long journey. 5 years later, a lot of heartbreak and a life lost. But we finally have enough to put you away for good. And a detective friend, my part of my team as well. He my work undercover too. So we now know you kill your best friend because you ask him to hide the body. And we now know Chris not jail because you falsely accuse him of rape your planet. And me also know say you hire my brother to kill me.
Brother?
Yeah, that's my brother. Him never know but me know all along. But he too is a wanted man for many murders, so we da monitor him as well. Fortunately, him turn in himself, and him confess to a lot. It's funny how life turn out, don't Keisha?
Keisha, you really think me that gonna make you frame Chris, kill your best friend and get away with it?
All you are wicked. You talk about you love me. You are a big liar. We should never trust you.
You fell right into our trap, babe. Keisha, how does it feel to be on the receiving end of being played? Chris, me sorry for what happened to you, me G. Just hope the overnight stay in a jail never too rough. We never did gonna make you stay in there too long, man. We just did have to do it to complete the plan.
It's all good, my Jim. Just happy that you're alive.
What you expect me to go, man? Me not tell you say me not gonna make Keisha do nothing to you. Me a man of my word. And speaking of Keisha, I am very pleased to announce that Keisha will be spending a long time in jail.
January, brother, I'm just glad that I can get to go about my business in peace and really focus on my career. But brother, I never know see a police all along.
Yeah, brother, me da work undercover.
January, brother, you're serious, man.
So Chris, before we leave, is there anything else you want me to do for you?
Me just ask if we look into the situation with that brother there with it in myself. I just a old spiritual man thief, you know. He me really in a one tough spot. I'm willing to help him.
My general, show you a good youth. Me gonna release him under your watch.
Thanks again for everything, Tony.
Hey, that girl. How you look by me for? You better come give me a kiss before me thump up that pretty face there.
Chris, you're good, brother.
Yeah, G, jail never bothers me expect still. And Keisha get locked with a good now, so the one night was all worth it.
She get what she deserve, brother. We know I love that girl, but that girl off with their road, brother.
I saw it come on, but me learn my lesson still. You have to be careful who you allow into your life. Some people will enter your life, you know, but you don't even know so that same person is on a mission to destroy your life. Sometimes you can love people so much that you don't even realize that the person you should be loving the most is yourself.
Yeah, G, if you don't love and respect yourself, you will never see what you're really worth. You will end up tolerating things that you shouldn't. People keep on disrespecting you over and over, but you keep on giving them chances because your hopes your love will be enough to change them.
But the more you love them is the more you lose sight of who you really are.
If you give the right energy and the right amount of effort to the wrong person, it will never be good enough, my brother.
Yo, G, that deep. The wrong person just can't see nor appreciate what you bring to the table.
And then you end up on a dark and lonely road where you feel like you have no value.
That's why I say stop run down people.
With dreams we are chase to the top, get ready.
Stop run down people.
Focus on building yourself and get your money.
Same way, me G.
Up top.
Stop random people. With dreams we are chase to the top, get ready. Stop random people. Focus on building yourself and getting money. Yeah.